I think we need to return to sender with this one because I am not feeling it at all. Outre be playing with my feelings sometimes.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. Today I'm coming to you guys with a new unit from the Outre Sleeklay part collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Asmara and the color number 2, so let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your singular left side curved part that is about 5 inches. It does come pre-plucked slightly, and it does also have baby hairs. They don't list that it's glueless, but I definitely do think you can get away with wearing this one glueless. I have no adhesive on it whatsoever. I have none of my Even Bold Hold spray. I have no got-to-be glue, no nothing. So let me just show you guys what the hairline is looking like on this one. The front of the unit is not like crazy plucked, but it's definitely a good amount for you to put in as minimal work as you want to. So I feel like that was really good. So this is definitely going to be a beginner friendly unit. This one is also going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees. So you can go in and add heat if you want to. But with the Sleeklay part collection, it's supposed to be taking away from the need to add heat. As you guys can see, it is laying flat, and it did lay flat right out of the box. I did not add any heat or anything like that. I do notice this little bumpy situation that's going on right here, and I feel like you can't just add heat to sort of get rid of that. So the length on this one, what I really do like about these new units, they are starting to put the links on the card. So this one is in 26 inches. So let me just stand up and give you guys a real quick length check. I'm 5'3" for reference, and this one does come just about to my boobs. Now the density on this one is pretty full. It's at least 150%. I did go and comb it out with a wide tooth comb, so it is kind of sitting around like 180. It's definitely a good amount of hair, you guys. The texture on this one, I'm honestly not really a fan of, and I have noticed when it comes to these Outre Sleeklay part collections, the fibers or whatever that they're using with their units, I'm just not here for them. It's coming off more along the lines of a silky vibe. Not really any yuckiness going on here. It is kind of dried out. These curls look different in my opinion than what's shown on the stock card. So these are definitely spiral curls, and I'm not necessarily the biggest fan of it, just specifically because the way that it's falling, the curls are like clumping into each other, and it's falling opposite. I feel like it should be falling away from my face, but it's like falling into my face, and no matter how many times I keep trying to pull it back like that, you see that? It just keeps coming back. So I'm not here for that, and I tried a lot to manipulate it to get the curls to lay and sit the way that I want them to, but they're not. So I'm really not here for that. I did definitely experience way more tangling and shedding than I would like to admit with this unit. I do know that it's a curly unit and it's longer, so of course that's to be expected, but honey, just the dried out texture mixed with the tangling and the shedding, I absolutely was not a fan of. So the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. I don't have anything adjusted in this at all whatsoever. I'm only using the back combs and it's kind of fitting my head pretty snug. So I do think if you have a larger size head, this one is not going to be for you, honey. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My first con with this unit is definitely going to be the texture, honey. This dried out situation, I am not a fan of. The quality of the hair just is not really doing it for me. So that's definitely going to be my first con. My second con is just going to probably be just the curl pattern. I feel like it does look pretty nice, but I don't like the fact that the curls are not falling the way that I want them to, and they're spiraling in the opposite direction that I would like them to. I'm just honestly not really a fan of that, and I feel like I'm the type of person that plays in my hair, so I'd be playing in this all day, so I'm not really a fan of that either. And also I just feel like it took a lot for me to get this unit together. So let's just jump into the pros of this unit. The pros are definitely going to be the fact that it does lay pretty flat on the top and I didn't need to add heat. The fact that the parting space looks really nice. Definitely the fact that I wore absolutely glueless with no adhesive whatsoever. The fact that the length is really nice, the density is really nice. But as a whole, would I pick this up again? Absolutely not. I feel like Outre has much better units out there with much better quality at much better price points, so I definitely would not pick this one up again. This is definitely going to be a special occasion unit, honey. I don't see you getting much wear out of this one. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.